Hello, my viewers. This is the best video of the year. This video has made my day. This video has made me to believe that there is better tomorrow for our nation. This video has made me to believe that tomorrow is bright and brighter for Nigerians. This video has made me to understand that we still have good leaders. What you are seeing here is not China. What you are seeing here is Abia State. This is what we need. Nothing more, nothing less. This is what we have been asking federal government, state government, local government to do for the citizenry and nothing more. Everybody cannot be into white collar jobs. No. But this is all we want. Industrialized nation. Build companies for people to see where they will fix themselves. What does it take government to continue establishing companies like this? I would want you to watch this video for you to know exactly what I'm talking about. But before I watch this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sympathy TV. Turn on the notification bell for more eye-opening videos of this nation. Above all, share this video so that it will get to the people that are supposed to open companies for younger generations. Watch the video.